Why is crypto down today? September 22, 2025. Cryptocurrency. Most major assets are in the red over the past 24 hours, with only a few exceptions among top coins. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. The crypto market is down today, with the global market cap falling by 3.8% to $3.97 trillion. Trading volume, however, is up, reaching $190.3 billion. Most major assets are in the red over the past 24 hours, with only a few exceptions among top coins. TLDR. 9 of the top 10 cryptos are in the red. BTC down 2.7% to $112,508. ETH drops 6.7% to $4,166. Fear and Greed Index at 47 shows neutral sentiment. BitUnix warns Trump's $100,000 H-1B visa fee may fuel volatility across markets. US BTC spot ETFs saw $222.62 million in inflows. US ETH spot ETFs gained $47.75 million. China urged brokerages to pause RWA tokenization in Hong Kong amid regulatory caution. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 9 of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap are showing 24-hour losses. Bitcoin, BTC, is trading at $112,508, down 2.7% in the last 24 hours, but still up 2% over the past week. Ethereum, ETH, has dropped 6.7% on the day to $4,166.40, marking one of the steeper declines in the top 10. Dogecoin, Doge, leads the losses, falling 10.7% to $0.238. With a 7-day drop of nearly 10%. BNB is the only coin among the top 5 posting green on the weekly chart, up 11.1% over the past 7 days despite a 3.9% drop in the last 24 hours. Among trending tokens, OG saw a massive drop of 26.8% to $4.31, followed by Aster, down 15.1% to $1.46. Avantis also slipped 3.6% to $2.07. Top gainers include Pump ETC, which surged 140.9% to $0.2175, followed by Merlin Chain up 46.8% to $0.373, and Maverick Network rising 30.6% to $0.1436. Despite short-term losses across much of the market, some altcoins continue to show outsized volatility, both to the upside and downside. Meanwhile, with October just days away, analysts are debating whether Bitcoin will repeat its strong historical performance, as it has closed in the green 10 out of the past 12 Octobers, earning the nickname Uptober. A rally similar to 2017 or 2021 could push BTC to around $165,000 from current levels. Trump's H-1B fee bomb sparks crypto jitters. BitUnix analysts say President Donald Trump's proposed $100,000 H-1B visa fee has rattled markets, injecting fresh political risk into an already fragile macro environment. The move directly targets India's $280 billion IT outsourcing sector, raising the prospect of trade tensions, legal battles, and rising corporate costs. This policy is highly political and will likely spark negotiations and litigation between corporations and governments. The analysts wrote, warning that weakened risk appetite could drive capital towards safer assets like the US dollar and treasuries. In crypto, BTC slipped from $117,000 to around $114,000, with buyers reappearing near $113,000. If $111,000 breaks, price may quickly fall towards secondary support at $108,000, BitUnix said. Resistance remains heavy near $119,000 to $120,500, where liquidity heat maps show dense short-term seller clusters. Traders are advised to monitor U.S., India developments and reactions from major tech firms. Until clarity emerges, volatility could remain elevated across both traditional and digital markets. Levels and events to watch next. As of Monday morning, Bitcoin is trading at $112,594, down 2.6% over the past 24 hours. After failing to reclaim the $115,000 zone, BTC has slipped into a lower range, with buyers stepping in around $112,000. The asset remains under pressure, consolidating below the $114,000 resistance. Traders are closely watching the $114,000 to $116,000 zone. A clean break above could open the door toward $117,500, with $119,000 as the next upside level. On the downside, $111,000 is the next key support, followed by $108,000 if the level breaks with volume. Meanwhile, Ethereum is trading at $4,166. Down 6.6% on the day. ETH saw a sharp rejection after briefly touching the $4,500 mark over the weekend and has since pulled back toward its lower support levels. Immediate resistance sits at $4,300, followed by a stronger zone at $4,500 to $4,600. If ETH fails to hold the $4,150 to $4,100 range, further downside could test $3,950, with $3,800 acting as the next major support. Market participants are eyeing macro risks, including U.S. tech sector volatility and regulatory signals out of Asia, both of which could fuel more choppy price action this week. Meanwhile, market sentiment in crypto remains steady. The CMC Crypto Fear and Greed Index is currently at 47. Slightly lower than yesterday's 48 and down from last week's 51, signaling a continued neutral outlook. This reading suggests that traders remain cautious, neither driven by fear nor swept up in market euphoria. With Bitcoin ranging below key resistance and macro risks still present, participants appear to be waiting on clearer direction before making decisive moves. The U.S. Bitcoin spot ETFs recorded a strong day of inflows on September 19th. Adding $222.62 million in net new capital. This pushes the cumulative net inflow across all funds to $57.72 billion, with total assets under management now reaching $152.31 billion, or 6.63% of Bitcoin's total market cap. BlackRock's IBIT led the day with a massive $246.11 million in net inflows, the only fund to post a gain. Grayscale's GBTC saw the largest outflow, losing $23.5 million and shedding 203.74 BTC. Other funds, including FBTC, BITB, ARKB, and HODL, recorded no net flows for the day, showing a largely one-sided flow pattern. Trading volume was dominated by IBIT at $2.17 billion, followed by FBTC and GBTC. The U.S. Ethereum spot ETFs recorded net inflows of $47.75 million on September 19th, bringing the cumulative total net inflow across all ETH funds to $13.92 billion. Total assets under management now stand at $29.64 billion, or 5.51% of Ethereum's market cap. Among the 9 listed ETFs, BlackRock's ETHA led with a significant $144.29 million in net inflows, followed by smaller outflows from other funds. Fidelity's FETH recorded a notable outflow of $53.40 million, while Grayscale's ETH and ETHE saw outflows of $11.30 million and $6.22 million, respectively. Meanwhile, China's securities regulator has quietly urged domestic brokerages to halt their real-world asset RWA tokenization operations in Hong Kong, raising red flags over the fast-growing digital assets sector being cultivated offshore. Quick FAQ. 1. Why did crypto move against stocks today? The crypto market has decreased over the past day, while the stock market increased on its previous day of trading, rising to record highs. By the closing time on Friday, the S&P 500 was up by 0.49%, the Nasdaq 100 increased by 0.7%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.37%. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Institutional on-ramp goes live in October. XRP can become the next Wall Street darling. Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Pepe by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. XRP ETF set to launch this week. $100 breakout finally coming? XRP price prediction. XRP ETF smashes records on CBOE debut. Is Ripple ready to flip BTC in flows? Features. Lord Miles. Polymarket chaos over claim YouTuber died during 40-day fast. 2 days ago. By Connor Sefton. Price analysis. Shiba Inu price prediction. Insane volume plus falling wedge equals SHIB's most explosive setup in years. 2 days ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Why one analyst sees a deeper correction to $2.90. 2 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 4 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. 16 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 5 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025. By Ben Beto.